Unlock the secret to clearing your lungs and stopping your cough in just 3 days with this powerful natural remedy. Pharmacists would rather you didn't know this, so make sure to save this recipe before it disappears. Start by chopping half of a white onion into small pieces and placing them in a sealed container. Onions are surprisingly effective at improving circulation to the lungs and reducing chest congestion. Next, add honey, which helps break up mucus, reduces inflammation in the bronchial tubes, and stimulates saliva production to ease your cough. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture every night before bed, and within 3 days you'll notice a significant difference. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes and drop a comment below to let me know which recipe you'd like to see next.